Greetings, Earthlings. We stand on the frontier of a new age, an era of space exploration unlike any other. This is the moment we will take the leap, the moment humans will become a multi-planetary species. We are excited to announce the launch of Seagull 2, a spacecraft with a mission of monumental proportion to descend humans on the surface of Mars and establish the first colony. The execution of this mission requires a blend of courage, tenacity, and expertise not easily found, but we are confident that our crew is up to the task. The Seagull 2 crew is a symbol of hope and a beacon of human potential and exploration. This mission is scheduled for the year 2030, and it will be a leap not just for mankind, but for all life as we know it. Introducing the Seagull 2 crew. Alden, a veteran astronaut with multiple spaceflight experiences. Alden is the mission commander who will lead the crew with his unmatched expertise, strategic planning, and unwavering commitment. Dawson is a renowned astrobiologist tasked with studying the Martian environment, potential life forms, and preparing for the establishment of sustainable life on Mars. Hunter is our expert engineer who will ensure the functionality of our technologies on Mars. His role will be crucial in setting up the base and maintaining the equipment crucial for survival and communication back to Earth. The mission's requirements extend beyond human expertise. It involves cutting-edge technology, rigorous preparation, and contingency plans that consider the potential of encountering advanced civilizations such as the hypothetical Martian talker aliens. Our crew has undergone extensive training to prepare for any contact with extraterrestrial civilizations, ensuring that any encounters will promote a peaceful coexistence, mutual understanding, and respect for interplanetary norms and regulations. We stand ready to face the challenges of this mission, to chart a course into the unknown, and to make history as the first humans to colonize Mars. The Seagull 2 mission is not just a step towards exploring new worlds, it's a giant leap towards the future of humanity. This journey is not ours alone, it belongs to all of humanity. As we prepare to take this step, we remember that we do not just explore for the sake of knowledge, but for the sake of all life on Earth and beyond. It's our collective curiosity, courage, and spirit of exploration that will propel us forward. The countdown to 2030 has begun. The age of interplanetary colonization is upon us. Here's to the pioneers, the explorers, and the dreamers. Here's to Alden, Dawson, and Hunter. Here's to Seagull 2. This message brought to you by the Magnet Jetpack Company.
Allez, vos bullets! Commence,